guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I know it's been a while, but I have been trying to get my life back on track. So these are some things that I have been doing to help in my quest. So somewhere along the way, YouTube began to become unenjoyable for me. I spent a lot of time on the computer for work. So once I'm done with work, I really don't want to be on the computer editing. So lately I've been trying to find my love for YouTube again. I've been looking at new ways to edit, different ways of thinking about creating content, and really just stepping back to find that passion again. During last year, I stopped buying clothes because pretty much I was mostly in the house, so I just didn't really need to purchase a lot of clothes. I was working from home, we were primarily in the house, but as things open up and I start to do more, I realized that I can't wear leggings and sweatpants to everything. So I have started to dress up again. So I'm slowly making purchases to help upgrade my wardrobe. One of my new additions to my jewelry collection, to be more specific, is this watch from MVMNT. MVMNT is a company that sells quality accessories, but are most known for their luxury watches. MVMNT provides quality, minimalist designs at a reasonable price. The watch that I currently have is called Amber, and I absolutely love it. I have the hardest time finding watches and bracelets that fit my small wrists, and this watch fits perfectly. And if your wrist is bigger than mine, they have additional links in the box to adjust the size. This watch also goes with some of my recent purchases, including my new Coach bag. If you guys want to purchase yourself a watch or any accessories or jewelry, or give it as a gift, you guys can use my discount code Manique15 for 15% off. Again, the code is Manique15 for 15% off. When my space is clean, I am more motivated. That's just how I am. When you work from home, it is very easy for things to get out of place, and throughout the week, just your room becomes a disarray. So I've been making it a habit to try to tidy up my space more, and that really helps me be more motivated to do things like making content. I find myself lately being more drawn to nature. It really helps me keep a healthy mindset. It's a little bit of an escape for me. Reconnecting to nature has been super helpful for my mental health, and it's something that I will definitely continue to do. So lately I've been trying to make more conscious decisions throughout the day to be healthier. I don't try to restrict myself or put myself like on a diet or anything, because for me that just won't last. It's something that I need to make habits of. And one of those things that I've been doing lately is drinking a smoothie every morning. This has helped me get my much needed fruits and veggies in kind of a easy and fun way. So I just do little things like, instead of getting a side of french fries, I try to get a side of salad. I try to make sure that I get a cup of water instead of a soda. So just little things like that really helps me implement a habit of eating healthier. Something that I stopped during this past year is planning out my days. I noticed that when I had to commute to work and work in the office for 8 hours, I had more of a schedule and used my time more wisely because I had so little of it. But being in the house more and working from home, I stopped scheduling out my time. So that is something that I started to pick back up, and I do find that that is very helpful for me and helps me get a lot more done in the day. overall, I've been enjoying the little things. One of the best things that you can do for yourself is really live in the moment. No matter how small it is, try to enjoy it. We all get so caught up in the day-to-day that we forget about the little moments that make us smile or laugh and that bring us joy. But I have found that starting back practicing mindfulness and focusing on what's in front of me and enjoying that has helped me tremendously. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe this can help you guys get your life back on track if it's in a disarray as much as mine was. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.